I have tablet, Android, Samsung PC, and stuff for connection. Tablet as a screen for PC, Xbox, or PS4, 5. First of all, we must go to Google Play and type USB camera. Install this application and open it. Then you must have HDMI to HDMI cable, Type-C to USB, or micro USB to USB adapter. In other words, USB OTG cable, and video capture, USB to HDMI. This I put here, and then I take HDMI cable and connect it. Then I take this USB-C and connect it to my tablet. Then I connect. This HDMI you can connect to Xbox, PS4, 5, PC, but it doesn't work with my laptop. I connect it to my GPU. Then press OK. OK. And you see the picture. To use this application without this banner, turn off Wi-Fi. Okay. Now you start your Xbox PC or other stuff, and you see the tablet screens what going on your PC. The tablet may lose power, and that's why I connect charge here and to my PC. Such way you can use your phone, Android, as a tablet, as a screen. Now it's not working such good because there is a bad connection. Oh, okay. What about screen resolution? Okay. Okay, 4K. Okay, but it's all small. That's all you need to know. How to connect your tablet phone as a screen to your PC, Xbox and PlayStation. But I can't connect it as a second monitor to my notebook.